Welcome to Sharpway Home Learning Tips. I'm Neil Wilson, primary teacher of over 30 years, online tutor and the founder of sharpway.net. Thank you for joining us today. You're in the right place if you want to help transform your children's learning at home. Our first video series is all about reading. Over the next few weeks on Sharpway Home Learning Tips, we'll be exploring some tried and tested ways of transforming your children's reading. Let's jump right in. The top tip in this video is to become familiar and confident with the 44 sounds of the English language. If you have young children who are starting to learn sounds and put them together to make words, or your child is still struggling to decode, then this video is for you. You will hear all 44 sounds in a logical order, starting with the vowel sounds and finishing with the consonant sounds. Enjoy! Before we start, I just thought it would be good to think about why it's good to learn, or to certainly be familiar with these sounds. It's pretty Captain Obvious, but when your children are learning to read and they're learning these sounds for the first time, if you know them or you're confident with them, then you'll be able to support them much better. So here we go. So firstly, the vowel sounds. E, sheep. I, ship. U, good. U, shoot. E, bed. Teacher. Bird. O, door. A, cat. Up. R, far. O, on. Here, here. A, wait. O, tourist. Oi, boy. O, show. Air, hair. I, my. Ow, cow. Next we'll look at the consonant sounds. I can remember a number of years ago, one little girl, when we were learning about vowels and consonants, she said, "Well, I know about consonants. My grandma's inconsonant." I'll never forget that. Anyway, I digress. So we'll start with P. It's very appropriate. B, boat. T, tea. D, dog. Ch, cheese. J, June. K, car. G, go. F, fly. Video. Think. This. See. Zoo. Shall.
At this point, there was some terrible interference on my recording, so I decided to use voiceover and to drop in some words and images to finish the sequence. So, here we go. Countdown 3, 2, 1. Zh. Television. Man. now, sing, hat, red, wet, yes.
To learn more about supporting your children's reading at home, check out the online courses launching on the 29th of this month. But you can get a 20% discount before that by signing up for pre-launch. Next week on Sharp Way Home Learning Tips, we'll have another top tip that will help transform learning at home. So join us again. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next week.